the road less traveled. That's how every true adventure begins. Do you have the right supplies to stay fresh on your adventure? Because there's a new way to stay clean while out on the trails. With the Surviveware large pack of biodegradable wet wipes. Our unique recipe is loved by thousands of campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Great for cleaning cooking gear. And unscented, never smell like a daffodil again. Plus, they are ideal for posterior pampering. They are made from natural fibers for rugged outdoor use. Yet is gentle enough for sensitive skin. After an accident, hygiene is extremely important. And so is keeping all your gear clean along the way. So can you freshen up without taking a shower? Or just need to freshen up after a long day? Problem solved. Enjoy a few creature comforts while exploring the great outdoors. Surviveware. Survive the dust. Survive the sweat.